YouTube. And it is great to see you, brick enthusiasts, on the other side of the screen. Today I am gonna show you an alternative build from Brickative. Like I mentioned often in other videos, it's always a picture that triggers me. Also in this case, I will show you first the picture. And these are the two boxes that I need for the alternative. Two boxes of set 60398. Let me show you also one picture during the build. I wanted to do more, but probably you know it, you're building with full concentration and forget to take more pictures. Okay, now we can go fast to the end result of the build. And this it is. Of course, I am now curious about your first thoughts. Maybe you can write that in the comments later. I will place it now on a turntable, so I can show it from all angles. So, let's start showing it. This backside is not very interesting, but this side, not at all. This angle is still the best, with a peek into the vertical greenhouse, and you can see the nice color combination and that half plant wall in combination with the windows. But that's it. Honestly, I was a little disappointed about the end result in real. But remember, it's very difficult to make an alternative using only the available bricks from the set. Yeah, it's now up to me to do an upgrade using my own bricks. I have already a couple of ideas in my mind, or part the sets out and use it for other builds. Maybe it will look better next to other builds. So watch with me, I will show you a few combinations. Together with another build. It looks better. In this case, my fine wine shop mug. Don't look at the different base plates, because it's easy to change that. The contrast of colors is doing some good. The vertical greenhouse is now popping in a good way out, even from this angle of sight. And now with the ice cream parlor. Still, I am convinced that a bigger combination do good to the alternative, but this doesn't work well. Next tryout. Alternative at my mod of the Market Street. What stands out is that every time you look from this angle, it is not that bad. But in front, I am not overwhelmed. I showed a couple more, but only by pictures. In my opinion, this one was one of the best. Both builds are from Brickative. The alternative and the bike shop still doesn't get a 10 out of 10, but I like it. It looks relatively good from the earlier good angle and from the front look. Well, I'll hope you will like what I showed to you this time. Write me your thoughts in the comments. I am very curious about it. So it is time for end this video. End it with the famous credo. Bedankt voor het kijken en tot de volgende keer. Doei!